familiar with Ana Walshe and Brian Walshe?
Yes.
And how did you meet the Walshes?
Ana Walshe was referred to me by a mutual friend, Jem Mutlow. They were looking for a home in the D.C. area, and I assisted them in purchasing a townhome in Chevy Chase, D.C.
And did you know Ana or Brian Walshe before that?
I did not.
And who bought the home?
Ana Walshe.
And did you meet Ana in person?
Yes.
Had you ever met Brian Walshe in person?
No, I have not.
So after you sold the townhome to Ana Walshe, did you have further contact with her?
I did.
And what was your initial relationship?
We quickly became close friends, then confidants, and before long we started an intimate relationship.
So how often would you see Ana Walshe in the course of your relationship?
Typically 2 to 3 times a week.
And how often would you and Ana communicate once your relationship became intimate?
Pretty much daily.
And did you and Ana have plans for Christmas Eve?
Yes.
And what did you do for Christmas Eve?
We drove out to Annapolis to have dinner with friends of mine.
Do you know where Ana went on Christmas Day?
She eventually ended up driving back to Massachusetts.
Did you and Ana discuss how Brian Walshe reacted to Ana not being in Cohasset on Christmas Eve and getting there later on Christmas Day?
She told me that they had an argument about it, and there were some points of contention.
Did you and Ana discuss any stressors about that, or any stressors in her marriage to Brian?
The biggest stressor was his inability to resolve his criminal case, and the fact that because of that, she couldn't be with her children and bring them back to Washington, D.C., and the fact that it felt like it was holding up her life.
Did you have plans to celebrate New Year's with Ana?
I did.
And when did you make those plans?
When I was in Idaho and she was in Cohasset.
And what were your plans for? When were your plans for?
Our plans were to have dinner on January 4th to celebrate New Year's and discuss our 1, 3, 5, and 10-year plans.
And what had you and Ana discussed about your future together?
We'd had a number of conversations about what a life together might look like, but I had always said to Ana that she needed to figure out how she wanted things to be with Brian and what she wanted to look like for her life before, we could make any sort of commitments or decisions.
And did you have dinner reservations for January 4th?
I did.
Did you have dinner on January 4th?
I did not.
Have you seen Ana Walshe since December 25th of 2022?
I have not.